In previous lecture, we discussed about arbitrary left rotation and right rotation, pseudocode of left rotation. Now, today in this video lecture, we learn about arbitrary insertion. Arbitrary insertion is a BST and make the new node red. The only property that can be violated is that both a red node's children are black, its parent may be red. If this is the case, try to fix it by coloring the new node red and making its parent and uncle black, which only work if both were red, as otherwise the equally BH property will be violated. If changing the colors does not work, the tree must be rotated, which also entails changing some colors. Now BST insertion like this: if XB insert X, then BST insert X, X dot color red. While X is not equal to root and XP equal to color is equal to red, if XP equal to XP dot PI left, then Y equal to XP dot P right, uncle of X. If Y color equal to red, then XP color equal to black, Y color is to black, X dot P equal to red, and X dot XX. Else, apply Y color equal to black. If X equal to X dot P equal to right, then X equal to X of P. Left, rotate EX. Apply rotate X according to X. XP color equal to black. XP color equal to red. Right, rotate XP. Else and well, the rotate color is black. So where X is the new node, cause the normal BST insertion method. Now next, iterate until the root or black parent is reached. Then X parents of left child. X parents of left child. Now this property Y and X parent are both red, so they can be made black. X grandparent can be made red, then make X is grandparent and repeat. Now this case, X grandparent must be black. So arrange X and parent in a straight line. Then rotate X grandparents, rebalance the tree and fix the color. One important note, this presentation null children are just treated as a black node. In the implementation, they would have to be explicitly tested for since being null, they not having to is black attribute and other attributes. For insertion example, insert 65 have given arbitrary. So according to arbitrary, S65 are attached here. How? First 65 compare this node. If 65 is less than, then go to the left, and if 65 is greater than this node, then go to right. So 65 is greater than 47 is go to the right. That we compare according to binary search tree, 65 is less than 71, so it is go to left, and it is the left children of this. And property arbitrary is also satisfied. Now next, insert element 82. 82 compare by this node. 82 is greater than 47, so go to the right branch. 71, it also greater than 82, also greater than 71, then go right of this tree. Here 82 is less than 93, so go to the left and left नहीं, सी ब्रांच में कोई नहीं था, इसलिए लेफ्ट चिल्ड्रन हो गया 82. नाउ here the property red children is connected 82 and parent node is also red. So red property, according to property of arbitrary, red children, parent, if parent node is red, then both children is black, that violate the property of arbitrary. If change the color, the violate the fourth property, all the black node from leaf to node, root node is equal. So we applied here rotation. Change node color. Number of node like this, number of node this, number of 2, and satisfy the property by changing the color of node. Now insert 87. 87 inserted right of 82. Again check color. So changing by color, कलर चेंज करने से आर्बिट्री की प्रॉपर्टी सेटिस्फाई नहीं हो रही है, therefore we apply here rotation. Now again repeat. Now insert 82. After insertion of 82, we check the arbitrary property is not satisfied in this particular point. So we check the color and check the arbitrary property are satisfied or not. 71 color, change node color. इस 71 रेड कर दिया, बाकी ब्लैक कर दिया. अब सारी प्रॉपर्टी सेटिस्फाई रही. इधर से भी नंबर ऑफ 2, इधर से नंबर ऑफ ब्लैक नोट 2, इधर से नंबर ऑफ सारे नंबर ऑफ ब्लैक नोट, सारी प्रॉपर्टी सेटिस्फाई रही. आफ्टर इंसर्शन 87, अब आर्बिट्री की प्रॉपर्टी कलर चेंज करने से चेंज सेट नहीं हो पाए, देयरफॉर वी अप्लाई द रोटेशन ऑफ आर्बिट्री. अप्लाई रोटेशन दिस वे. तो 87 क्या हो जाएगा आपका, पेरेंट हो जाएगा, 82 चिल्ड्रन हो जाएगा. नाउ change the node color. After changing the node color, we check arbitrary property not satisfy, so we apply the left rotation. After the left rotation, we find test 3. Now check arbitrary is property satisfy. So how the root node is black, every node red and black. If parent node is red, the both children is black. If leaf node to root node, same number of black node is fine. So arbitrary is property satisfy. So to the summary of insertion arbitrary. RB insertion, simple RB insertion maintain the binary search tree property, and in RB insertion we also satisfy the arbitrary property. So according to arbitrary insertion algorithm, first we check where X node, new node. Similarly, simple, we call value of insert according to binary search insertion and iterate until the root the black parent is reached. Now this algo is divided into three cases. X parent is left child है, तो ये property use कर लेंगे. Y and X parent are both red, so they can be made black, and X grandparent can be made red. Then make X grandparent and repeat. Property case use होगा. If X grandparent must be black, so arrange X and parent in the straight line, then rotate X grandparent to balance the fixed color and balance the fixed color. According this three insertion, like we insert 965, 65 inserted left of 71, inserted 82, inserted 82. Here the left arbitrary property is not satisfied. We balance the color. This color is red, this color is black. So satisfy the arbitrary property. Now next insert 87. 87 inserted into left of this. The property is not satisfied. Therefore, we apply the right rotation. After applying the right rotation, this tree is fine. They are also not satisfy the property of arbitrary. So change the color. This color is red. This color is black. And fourth, every node contain the same number of black nodes is not satisfied. So we apply the right rotation. After applying the right rotation, we find the arbitrary and full property satisfied by this. Thank you. In the next lecture, we discuss arbitrary relation.